problem? Why are you both fighting?
Nothing. We were just playing a game.
Seriously?
Oh my God, let's do something.
Ice cream. Tasty, tasty ice cream.
Hey, let's eat ice cream and have some fun with Parrot.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Welcome. What do you like to have?
Give 3 tasty ice creams.
It's very tasty. Hey, let's run away.
All right then.
Oh no! My money! Stop there! Stop! Stop there! I want my money.
This is not right. We are sorry. Take your money.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Children, get ready today's class. Let's learn some shapes. The first shape is star.
Wow, it's a star.
Let's learn the second shape. It's a triangle. 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 And the next shape is
Square and rectangle.
rectangle. Square. Let's see the next shape. It's a heart. Take a small break.